There is one food eaten all over the world, but no two versions taste the same. Some are soft and fluffy, others are thin and crispy. Some are simple, others are loaded with toppings worth hundreds of dollars. And yet, they all share the same basic idea: bread, sauce, and toppings. Next, we're exploring the different types of pizza from around the world, from traditional recipes that date back centuries, to modern creations that completely change the meaning of pizza. This food has evolved into something incredibly diverse. And one type of pizza is so different, most people wouldn't even recognize it. Let's start with the most famous style: Neapolitan pizza. This pizza originated in Naples, Italy. It is considered the original form of pizza. Neapolitan pizza has a thin, soft crust with slightly charred edges. It is usually topped with simple ingredients like tomato sauce, fresh mozzarella, basil, and olive oil. Because it cooks quickly in a very hot oven, the center stays soft while the edges become crisp. This style is known for its simplicity and balance of flavors, but not all pizza is soft and delicate. Next is a style known for being thick and filling: Chicago deep dish pizza. Unlike traditional pizza, this version is baked in a deep pan. The crust is thick and forms a bowl-like shape. Inside, it is filled with layers of cheese, toppings, and chunky tomato sauce. Because of its thickness, it takes longer to cook and has a completely different texture. Some people compare it more to a pie than a traditional pizza. Now here's where things get interesting, because the next type flips everything upside down: Detroit-style pizza. This pizza is known for its rectangular shape and crispy edges. It is baked in a pan, allowing the cheese to caramelize along the sides. One unique feature is that the sauce is often placed on top of the cheese instead of underneath it. This creates a completely different flavor experience. The crust is thick but light, with a crispy exterior and soft interior. But pizza doesn't always follow traditional rules. Next is a style that is completely customizable: New York-style pizza. This pizza is known for its large, thin slices. The crust is firm enough to hold its shape, but flexible enough to fold. Many people eat it by folding the slice in half. It is often topped with tomato sauce, mozzarella, and a variety of additional toppings. Because of its balance between crispy and chewy, it became one of the most popular pizza styles in the world. But not all pizza is made the same way. Some versions are completely unique. Next is one of the most surprising styles: Japanese pizza. In Japan, pizza has evolved in unexpected ways. Toppings can include seafood, mayonnaise, corn, and even unique sauces. Some pizzas combine sweet and savory flavors in ways that are very different from traditional versions. These variations show how pizza can adapt to different cultures and tastes. But the next type might be the most unusual of all: dessert pizza. Instead of tomato sauce and cheese, dessert pizzas use ingredients like chocolate, fruit, and cream. The crust may be softer and sweeter, more like a pastry. Toppings can include strawberries, Nutella, marshmallows, and powdered sugar. This completely transforms pizza into something closer to a dessert than a main dish. These different styles show how one simple idea can become something completely different. From traditional recipes, to regional variations, to creative modern versions, pizza has become one of the most versatile foods in the world. And the truth is, there are countless variations still being created, because no matter where you go, pizza continues to evolve. If you enjoy learning about food, strange discoveries, and fascinating topics from around the world, subscribe to Curiosity Records for more videos exploring the most interesting things on Earth.